Hi guys, welcome again to another unboxing. I just got this in the mail today, so let's just open up this one. It's a new iPad. Yeah, this is the new, don't know whether we can call it iPad 3 or iPad HD or the new iPad. It definitely resembles the iPad 2, but with a lot of different features. You can see that it's you focus on it, 64 gig wide. Okay, out focus. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this. A bit tight. See, it looks the same like the iPad 2 packaging. Later we will compare with the iPad 2, because there's rumors around saying it's a bit thicker and all that. So the normal stuff, this dock connector, 10-watt charger, the UK pin for Malaysia, Singapore and Hong Kong if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, as you can see, the normal iPad uses this kind of SIM ejector, which is not the same with the iPhone. Side. So that's on it. It feels a bit thicker, but it could just be just the feeling, you know. It looks almost the same. As you can see, we have another iPad 2 here. We'll compare it side by side. Does it look thicker? A bit? Maybe. It looks almost the same. So there we have the unboxing of the new iPad. Today is the 16th of March 2012, the day that the iPad is launched all over the world. I mean, not launched, but the first day that people are getting the iPads all over the world. And here we are in Malaysia, and I already got my hands on the new iPad. So I'll be doing this later. Thanks for joining us again. See you guys till the next unboxing.